All right, guys, this is great news for everybody in estate. The app is coming soon because I realize that most people are looking for this app. So it is also part of the estate roadmap. I don't know if you guys have seen it in the past. If you haven't, please go back to your back office and go to Info Hub, and you will be able to access more information about estate. But I've taken a screenshot of that bit just to show you that it is still on the roadmap as well. See that it is highlighted there: development of a fully featured mobile application for App Store and Google Play, replacing the initial web APK version. This time they are developing the actual app. As you can see from this screenshot, the estate mastermind summit, this was just completed, okay, in Miami, and the next one is going to be the media coverage in Forbes, Bloomberg, and other major international outlets. And then they are going to do another tokenization of new asset class. So they are going to expound and add more real estate. And then after that, the signing of 10-year strategic partnership agreements with leading agents and organizations worldwide. So this is great for all of us, but just focus on the app, because that is the purpose of this video, right? Focus on the app. The app is coming next month in March, according to the CEO. And I'm just going to quote what he has just told me. He said, "We have already started developing the mobile app, and most importantly, we have finalized the Lego framework." Okay, let me read that again. Most importantly, we have finalized the Lego framework. I believe we will launch this in March, which is next month, guys. Next month. There is a solid 10-year development plan ahead, and as a professional, we will make estate truly global. This is coming straight from the CEO. So guys, sit tight, because the app, the mobile app for estate, is going to be launched at some point next month. So I will keep you guys informed. I will keep you guys updated with what is going on regarding the app. All right, but I just want you guys to be aware that the app is coming. This will make it very flexible and efficient for anybody to access estate, which is great, because it's one of those tools that is going to make estate much better, and is going to allow global use of this platform as well. So I just thought I should let you guys know that the app is coming, because I know that some people have been asking me privately if they are going to have any app. So there you go. This is your answer. All right. So stay tuned. I will keep you guys informed regarding the app. And for those of you that have not joined estate yet, remember, in estate you can own a fractional real estate and earn on a daily basis from that fractional real estate, and also withdraw on a daily basis. So if you would like to join estate and begin to make money, allow your money to work for you, the link to do so is below this video description, guys. Sign up, complete your KYC, select your real estate that you want to purchase, and then deposit, and then finally purchase your real estate. All the videos and all the steps on how to get this done is below this video description. So I will see you in my estate team. Thank you, and God bless.